If you've forgotten your PayPal password or want to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the PayPal login page. Visit the official PayPal website and click on the login button. When the login page appears, look for the Having Trouble Logging In link. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once you click on the Having Trouble Logging In link, you will see an option that says Forgot Your Password. Click on this link to begin the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Make sure to enter it correctly, then click Next to proceed. Step 4. Choose your verification method. PayPal will ask you to choose a method to receive a verification code. This could be via email or SMS, depending on what you have set up. Select your preferred method and follow the instructions to receive the code. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you receive the verification code, enter it on the PayPal website. After verification, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it, then save the changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your PayPal account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal's customer support for assistance.